In the vast theater of nature, some predators don't rely on brute strength or speed to capture their prey. Instead, they use something far more subtle and impressive, the art of camouflage. Today, we're exploring the fascinating world of the praying mantis, one of the greatest masters of deception in the animal kingdom. Before we dive into the incredible world of the praying mantis, make sure to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. It helps us bring you more fascinating content like this. Imagine walking through a forest without realizing you're being watched. For the praying mantis, this is just another day. Many species of mantises have the extraordinary ability to blend seamlessly into their environment, resembling leaves, twigs, or even flowers. This camouflage serves not only as protection from predators but also as a lethal tool for ambushing prey. It stays perfectly still, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. A fly or ant doesn't even notice that it's walking into the danger zone. Among camouflage experts, the orchid mantis is a true masterpiece. Found in the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, this species disguises itself as a flower. With its white and pink body, it mimics petals with stunning precision. This clever disguise attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies, which approach thinking they're visiting a flower. But as soon as they land, the predator strikes with lightning speed. The praying mantis doesn't rely solely on its appearance. It also uses calculated movements to enhance its disguise. Instead of moving directly, it sways its body gently, mimicking the motion of leaves in the wind. This confuses predators and helps it remain undetected by prey. Even more impressive is its vision. With compound eyes that can rotate almost 360 degrees, it observes its surroundings with minimal movement. The praying mantis isn't just a master of offense. When threatened, it uses its camouflage to avoid confrontation. If discovered, it takes a defensive stance, raising its front legs and exposing hidden patterns of bright colors to intimidate predators. Some species even have wings that mimic large eyes, scaring off birds and other hunters who prefer not to take risks. Despite being a formidable predator, the praying mantis also needs to stay vigilant. Its disguise is essential for survival, as it is hunted by birds, frogs, and other predators. Every leaf and flower could hide a secret, and every move is carefully calculated to ensure its survival. The praying mantis reminds us that in nature, strength isn't everything. Sometimes, the ability to disappear in plain sight is the greatest key to survival. If you were as amazed by the praying mantis as we are, don't forget to like and share this video. Have you ever seen one of these camouflage masters in action? Let us know in the comments. And remember, in nature, not everything is as it seems. See you next time.